Dear students, good morning. Welcome to the history class. In last session, we have started Indus civilization chapter. We know that this Indus civilization is also known as Indus Valley civilization or Harappan civilization. We call it as Harappan civilization because the most important popular city of this civilization is Harappa, so it is known as Harappan civilization also. So many points are there, so many dates are there to remember. We have to remember 1856, where Britishers tried to build some railway tracks in Sindh area. In that area, there they found some burned bricks and seals. They found some burned bricks and seals there. Because of that, in 1861, ASI has started in India, Archaeology Survey of India. The Department of Archaeology has started in 1861. They have started to try and they have started to study about Indus Valley civilization. In 1920, we have to keep in mind, in 1920, we all know that because of the effort of John Marshall and his colleagues of the archaeological department, the effort of John Marshall and colleagues of archaeological department, the Indus civilization has discovered. Indus civilization discovered in 1920 because of John Marshall and his colleagues of the archaeological department. They discovered Indus civilization in 1920. After that, we have already remembered Harappan sites. Harappan sites discovered by Dayaram Sahani. After that, in this session, we have to remember one more city here, which is called as Mohenjo-daro. Dear students, we remember in this city, we have to remember one more thing here. We all know that in Bollywood, one cinema is there, which is called as Mohenjo-daro. So it is a very popular city in Indus civilization. Mohenjo-daro, this word, it is a Sindhi language. Which means mound of the dead, mound of the dead, discovered by R.D. Banerjee. ನೋಡಿ, ಹರಪ್ಪ ನಗರವನ್ನು ನಾವು ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ನೆನಪು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಈ ಹರಪ್ಪ ನಗರವನ್ನು ನೆನಪು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನಗರವನ್ನು ನಾವು ನೆನಪು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಅದನ್ನು ಮೊಹೆಂಜೊದಾರೋ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಈ ಮೊಹೆಂಜೊದಾರೋ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಬಾಲಿವುಡ್ನ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಬಂದಿತ್ತು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇದು ಬಹಳ ಪ್ರಮುಖವಾದ ನಗರ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಸಿಂಧಿ ಭಾಷೆಯ ಶಬ್ದ. ಮೊಹೆಂಜೊದಾರೋ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ, ಇದು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮೌಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಡೆಡ್ ಅಂತ ಇದರ ಅರ್ಥ. ಹಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ಮಡಿದವರ ದಿಬ್ಬ. ಇದನ್ನೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಮಡಿದವರ ದಿಬ್ಬ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಮೌಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಡೆಡ್ Mohenjo-daro has discovered by R.D. Banerjee in 1922. In 1922, Larkhan district of Sindh. It is found in Larkhan district of Sindh area. ಸಿಂಧು ಪ್ರಾಂತದ ಲಾರ್ಖಾನ್ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಪ್ರದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ, ಲಾರ್ಖಾನ್ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಮಹೆಂಜೋದಾರೋ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕಾಣ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಜಾನ್ ಮಾರ್ಷಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಮೆಕೆ, ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಜಾನ್ ಮಾರ್ಷಲ್ and Mackay, Dr. Mackay, according to John Marshall and Mackay, the period of Indus Valley civilization. See, dear students, many scholars, many historians about Indus Valley civilization, they have given many definitions or many points on this. But as per popular theory, as per most accepted theory, the Indus Valley civilization discovered, or the period of Indus Valley civilization is known as 3000 BCE, before 3000 BCE. ಇಂಡಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲಿ ಸಿವಿಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ಕಾಲ, ಸಿಂಧೂ ನಾಗರಿಕತೆಯ ಕಾಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವಾಗ ಇತಿಹಾಸ ತಜ್ಞರು ಹೇಳೋದು ಅನೇಕ ಸಂಗತಿಗಳನ್ನು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಆದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಪ್ಪಿಕೊಂಡಂತಹ ಕಾಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವಾಗ ಜಾನ್ ಮಾರ್ಷಲ್ ಮತ್ತು ಮೆಕೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತಹ ಅವಧಿ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಕ್ರಿಸ್ತ್ ಎರಾ, 3000 ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಕ್ರಿಸ್ತ್ ಎರಾ, 3000 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಹಿಂದೆ ಅಂತ, ಕ್ರಿಸ್ತಪೂರ್ವ 3000 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಹಿಂದೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ದ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲಿ ಸಿವಿಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ಈಸ್ 3000 BCE.